Numbers play an important role in our life. They help us distribute money, compare two or more things, such as based on height, age, etc. They help a lot in banking where money is involved. You are able to see time accurately because of numbers, otherwise you would have to rely on position of sun in the sky or sand clocks. In short, you can say that numbers is involved around us in many areas. Mathematics is branch of study which majorly deals with numbers. In this video, we will learn about two types of numbers. 1. Whole numbers, and 2. Natural numbers. Natural numbers are all the numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 100, 1000, 1 lakh and so on are natural numbers. Natural numbers are most suitable for counting and thus got their name as natural. You can count apples like 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples and so on using natural numbers. Adding 0 to set of natural numbers makes them whole and thus this set is called whole numbers. Natural numbers are represented by n, and W is used for representing whole numbers. These symbols become useful when you are not sure about exact number but you know for sure the nature of the number. For example, we know that in the sky, there are a lot of visible stars. We can say that sky has many stars and their number belong to a number in W or n. You can perform various operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division on these numbers. Now let's see few properties of natural and whole numbers. When we add two natural or whole numbers, order of adding doesn't affect the outcome. For example, adding 5 to 2 is same as adding 2 to 5. Both will be equal to 7. This property is called commutativity of addition. Similarly, order of numbers while multiplying two whole numbers does not affect the result. For example, 2 multiplied by 3 is same as 3 multiplied by 2. Both will give the same result as 6. This property is called commutativity of multiplication. You can understand commutativity of multiplication by using a rectangle. Area of rectangle is calculated by multiplying height into width. Now rotate it by 90 degrees. Now height will become width and width will become height, but area will remain same. New area will be width multiplied by height, which is same as height multiplied by width. When many numbers are added together, order of addition does not matter. Any two numbers can be added together. For example, 1 plus 3 plus 9 plus 2 can be calculated by adding 1 plus 3 then 9 and then 2. Or same thing can be calculated by first adding 1 and 9, then 2 and then 3. This property is called associativity of addition. The same property holds valid for multiplication as well. For example, 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 5 can be calculated by multiplying 2 into 3 and the result by 10 and finally by 5. The same problem can be calculated by 2 multiplying by 5 and the result by multiplying by 10 and then finally by 3. This property is called associativity of multiplication. Association means group, These associated property implies that any two number can be added or multiplied in any pair when a lot of them are being added or multiplied. When sum of numbers is multiplied by a number, it is equivalent to sum of each number multiplied by the same number. For example, 4 multiplied by 9 plus 4 plus 5 is same as 4 multiplied by 9 plus 4 multiplied by 4 plus 4 multiplied by 5. The same holds true when numbers are being subtracted. For example, 4 multiplied by 9 to 5 is same as 4 multiplied by 9 to 4 multiplied by 5. This property of whole number is called distributive property of multiplication over addition and subtraction. Distributive property helps in simplifying complex multiplications. For example, 97 multiplied by 7 can be calculated easily by using distributive property. 97 can be written as 100 to 3 and its multiplication with 7 can be written as 100 multiplied by 7 to 3 multiplied by 7, which is 721, or 679. Addition and multiplication operation on whole number also follow closure property. According to this property, when two whole numbers are multiplied or added, the result will always be a whole number. For example, 7 plus 2 is 9, which is a whole number. 7 multiplied by 2 is 14, which is a whole number. 7 multiplied by 0 is 0, which is also a whole number. 0 whole number is called additive identity because when it is added to a number, that number remains same. For example, 9 plus 0 is 9. Similarly, 120 plus 0 is 120. 1 is called multiplicative identity because, when a number is multiplied by 1, that number does not change. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. 92 multiplied by 1 is 92. 0 multiplied by 1 is 0.